Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a really easy leather desk mat. I've got a whole bunch of leather left over from some previous DIY projects. If you're interested in those, go check those out. I'll leave them right here on the screen. But today all I need is a ruler, a knife, and some leather. If you have a cutting mat, this will be perfect and keep it from damaging anything underneath. If you don't have that, just grab a piece of scrap wood or a stack of cardboard, something that you can cut through and not damage it or worrying about damaging the blade or whatever's underneath. I'm going to start cutting this down to size into a rectangle shape. And I'd recommend putting in a new blade in your razor blade knife just to make sure that it's as sharp as it can be, because leather is a little difficult to cut, but a brand new fresh blade makes it a whole lot easier. Now I'm done cutting out the rectangle shape. I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the corners. I want to cut these at a 45-degree angle to make it look a little bit nicer. I'm going to line it up with the cutting mat below it on the square marks, and then line up the ruler with that 45-degree angle line and easily cut off the same angle on each of these corners. Now the mat's finished. You can use it as is, but I'm going to go ahead and add some of this leather cleaner on here and then do a second coat once this dries with some leather conditioner and sealer so that moisture doesn't affect it as much, and this will just last a bit longer. Now with the leather conditioner, I'm going to spread that over top and let that soak in. This will help protect the leather but also keep it nice and soft so it doesn't get brittle over time. Now that just about finishes up the desk mat, but before I spread this back out, I want to sweep it off really quick. When you're cutting leather, there ends up being a lot of leather particles, small pieces of it, all over the place after you're done, so I'll clean that off real quick and then set up the desk. This is a bit of a throwback. This laptop stand here, built this on the channel 6 years ago, one of my very early on videos. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave the link right here on the screen. But this is one that's really nice. It's lasted over the years. I may end up remaking this eventually, make it a little bit better next time around. Alright guys, that just about finishes up the video for today. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, hit that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. If you want to see some more videos, go check out my channel or wait to the end of this video. I'll have some recommended videos that I think you guys will enjoy, so go check those out. Thanks so much for watching guys. I'll see you in the next one. If you're interested in supporting the channel, I have a Patreon link down below that you can support and help me continue creating videos like this one. And if you're interested in purchasing some build plans, I have my build plans available on my Etsy page. You can go check that out and see what I've got.